Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and we're back here today in Subnautica 2. I'm right next to the life raft, and today I'm going to show you where to get the Necrolei Cyst, which is important for creating a strong acid. So in order to get this, you're going to need to head towards this giant monolith, the giant growing tree thing, and then we're going to kind of head into the middle towards one of the far edge bases and then hang a left once we get there. You'll know what I mean. As you cruise past here, this is where you get the angel sort of tree that allows you to digest different food. So we're gonna zip past over here. I've got my base down here. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this little ravine down here that takes us down to the side of this broken rubble and into this whirlpool. You might need to get a breath of air if you don't have upgraded breathing oxygen tanks, and just follow this current until you reach the broken down base, the settlement where all of the original colonists used to live. It's what is this thing called? Welcome home base. I'm gonna stop over here. I'm gonna have some oxygen in here, and then I'm gonna go up here to these purple glowing tree-looking jellyfish things, and what you want for these cysts grow on the top of these little pods. So grab out your multi-tool, and you can pluck them. It takes 2 per acid. And that's it. And you can just head back to the south, to your base, or wherever you have it. So if you found this helpful, this is how you find one of those funny little cyst things that you need to make strong acid. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.